What's going on, guys? We're back in another video here today. So we got 3 more Prizm cellos. So let's get into it. Hopefully we can pull a nice red, white, and blue, or a nice green. Last time I pulled 2 greens. One was a Chad Johnson, one was a Rex Ryan rookie card. So this time around, hopefully we can get something good. Mac Jones red, white, and blue would be the dream, but I guess we'll see. So we got the 3 packs and then the 3 bonus. Let's get into it. First one. All right, first, we got a silver. First card, Deebo Samuel, Christian Wilkins, DeAndre Hopkins, Brett Favre, Billy Sims, Logan Thomas, Traquan Smith, James Harrison, McCaffrey, Christian Barmore's our first rookie, and then let's see what the silver is going to be. Mahomes silver. All right, well, I'll take that. And then a fireworks, Darren Waller. Let me sleeve that up. That's sweet. Probably one of the better silvers you can get that is not a rookie. That's sweet. All right, next pack. Jacoby Myers. Got a green. Jordan Brooks, Devontae Parker, Austin Eckler, Anthony Barr, Tyreek Hill, Kyle Rudolph, Patrick Queen, and then Jordan Lewis, and then our rookie for the Niners, Trey Lance. Let's go. That's a good hit out of retail, even though it's base. I mean, it's better than nothing, you know? Then our green is Cleveland, Denzel Ward, and then our last card is a Brilliance, A.J. Brown. I'll take that. Trey Lance, you can't beat that. It's awesome. Next pack. I don't know how much value that's going to hold, though, with all the production of Prizm. Silver, DeForest Buckner, Kurt Warner, Vernon Hargraves III, Justin Jefferson, Kenyon Drake, Cole Beasley, Joe Mixon, Mike Vick, Keem Davis Gaither, excuse me. I don't know why I keep on slow rolling the one before. It's going to be Elijah Mitchell. And then Denzel Mims, silver, and then a Devontae Smith, emergent. Not bad. All right, red, white, and blues. Let's hopefully we get a rookie in each. I don't care if the rookie's bad. I just want a rookie in each because some people just don't get a rookie. And that would stink. Charles Haley. Justin Simmons. No rookie. Baker. Sounds about right. All right. 0 for 1. Let's not go 0 for 2. Come on. Can't be too greedy. I got 3 rookies out of my last 3. So John Brown, Chris Godwin, Eagles. Rookie shield. Gonna be Devontae. There's gonna be Kenneth Gainwell, isn't it? Devontae Smith. Let's go. Wow. These red, white, and blues have been nice to me. Got him and Kadarius Toney, so it's one of the better ones you can get. All right, last pack. Can we end it off with a Mac Jones? That'd be huge. Bud Dupree, DeAndre Swift, rookie shield. Is that Carolina colors or Jacksonville? Could it be? Oh, it's Detroit. Penei Sewell. All right, sweet. All right, well, that does it for the pack opening. I'm going to consider it, I mean, they're $15 a piece, so probably not a money back, but maybe money back for 2 of the packs at least. I'd say these are the three hits of the opening: Trey Lance, Mahomes silver, and then Devontae Smith red, white, and blue. So hopefully I can get my hands on some more of that. I know Target.com has not dropped anything since I got these, so hopefully they drop something soon. But that's it for the opening. Thank you guys for tuning in, and peace out.